Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create social media posts in Fotor. Fotor is a powerful yet beginner-friendly design tool that lets you create eye-catching social media posts in minutes. With ready-made templates, AI tools, and simple drag and drop editing, you can design posts for the Instagram, Facebook, or other platforms without needing graphic design skills. So first, you need to open to your Fotor app on your device. Over here, simply tap on the edit in the top. Over here, you can select one of the photos from your gallery by tapping on one of the photo, and it will automatically gets into this editing timeline as well. Over here, what you can do is you can simply reshort, you can put up the filter, you can also adjust it over here. Simply tap on any of the icon you want to edit for and tap on the check mark at the bottom right as well. And over here, you can also enhance the photo for the better quality in other platforms as well. And over here, you can also crop the photo if you want to. And after all of the editing is done, what you can do is you can tap on the save on the top right corner as well, and you can preview your post before saving it. And after that, you can open any of the social media that you want to share, and you can upload it manually as well. And Fotor makes social media design quick, creative, and professional. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.